Imagine a world in which the use of specific colours can completely inhibit and diminish the ability to see with any clarity, where environmental factors and text are constantly blurred, warped, and often perceived as moving or pulsating in and out of focus. That is how the world is perceived by an Erlen syndrome sufferer. Erlen syndrome is a visionary perception disorder, diagnosed and recognised only recently as it has not been easily detected through standard vision and education tests. Erlen syndrome is not an optical problem. Rather, it is a disorder that is more centralised in the brain and how visual information is encoded and decoded within the nervous system. This dysfunction is also called scotopic sensitivity syndrome and is thought to be due to a sensitivity of the retina to certain frequencies of the light spectrum. However, Erlen syndrome is not to be confused with colour blindness or dichromacy. Sufferers of Erlen syndrome can visually recognise and distinguish one colour from another. However, the problem lies within the brain and its ability to interpret colour and specific contrasts. Sufferers of Erlen syndrome often report heavy visual distortions, especially of print, as they perceive words to be blurred, moving, or warped. Sufferers can also have a very limited recognition span and have much trouble keeping words in focus. There are 7 main distortions a sufferer can see, and the degree and combination of distortions are highly individualised, and no two sufferers are the same. These distortions include blurry, halo, rivers, shaky, seesaw, washout, and swirl. The Erlen method of treatment is to use coloured overlays specific to an individual's needs that aid in filtering out the counterproductive frequencies of the light spectrum that cause adverse reaction in sufferers. Whilst there is no definitive answer or cure for Erlen's, there have been many studies conducted about the use of coloured overlays, mostly giving largely positive feedback. The benefits of using these coloured filters cannot be understated. Here is a scan of the brain before using an Erlen filter, and here is a scan of the brain usage whilst using an Erlen filter. The results really do speak for themselves. It can be seen in this infographic the reduction in the amount of stress and strain on a sufferer just by using Erlen overlays. To create a light to assist an Erlen sufferer was quite a unique and challenging experience. Lighting is also a crucial element on helping those who suffer from Erlen syndrome. Bright fluorescent lights are disruptive and can cause a sharper contrast between colours, thus increasing the need for overlays. Since colour and light play such a significant role in an Erlen sufferer's life, a lighting design concept was designed around the corroboration of these two elements. The aim of the Erlen syndrome light, or the ISL, is to project light particles through a tinted Erlen filter onto the paper or reading material that a sufferer is using. This will act the same as an overlay, except the sufferer will also have the sufficient lighting to assist them with their reading and writing needs. The need for additional artificial lighting is in turn significantly reduced. As each sufferer requires their own unique colour, overlay slides can be interchanged in the light to suit individual circumstances. The ISL is designed for use in schools and education facilities. It is envisioned that every classroom will have access to at least one of the ISLs for their students' use, or parents can even purchase these lamps for the use in their own home. The lightweight design makes this small unit completely portable and versatile.